Hi folks, Ralph here, NoizeBusters. Today we check out the project scales, and I want to show you something how you can make easy melody sequences with an arpeggiator, and that possibility in Bitwig 6 with the scales. So let's check it out. So first thing, we choose a scale here. So we'll go for D and D minor pentatonic, for example. Then I have a arpeggiator and a synth on the track. So I make a clip, and inside the clip I switch on snap to key. So I only can play keys which fits to the scale. And you have the same option here on the arpeggiator, where you can snap this line here to the scale of the project, which is super handy because then you can play around with different pitches in your sequence. For example, like this. And what's fun to use is a random generator. Put this on 8, sync it up to the project, and then modulate the velocity or even the gates, so you get a different sequence every time it runs through. Nice, hey? And I mean, you can expand this. It's just like a fast way to get somewhere. If you want to get inspired and you're stuck to making a melody, use the project scales and then play around with that what I showed you. Have fun!